Guys, we are officially at 1K subbies. I just want to say thank you guys so much for being my ride or dies. You guys helped me start 2018 off to an amazing start, and I just want to keep on rolling out videos for you guys. So with God will, we will keep doing that. But we're just going to jump straight into the video today. I just wanted to play with some color. I did realize that I have not used my Jaclyn Hill palette in a tutorial for you guys, and I've had it for a while now, so I was like, let's start the new year off with Miss Jaclyn Hill herself. So without further ado, let's just jump straight in. Okay, so taking our first transition shade, we're going to be using Pukey, and we're just going to warm up the eye. So just always put down a nice transition shade. It does help all the other shades blend together. I always like to use a transition shade that is close to my shade range. And then taking Mocha, we're just going to go ahead and deepen up that transition. You're going to put it right below Pukey. And then after you do that, you're going to go back in with Pukey just to, Pukey, wow. You're going to go back into Pukey and then just make sure Mocha and Pukey blends very well together. I don't know why I've been using, well, I do know why. I've been watching Casey Holmes a lot lately, and I've just been taking her tricks with her tape. I just love the way that the tapes make everything look so sharp. Okay, so now going into this green shade, it is called Enchanted, and it is such a pretty green. I'm going to place that pretty much on the outer V of my eye, and then also take it to the top of my lid. And then you're just going to blend that in to make sure it blends nicely with Mocha. These shadows just these shadows just blend so perfectly together. That's the reason why I love Morphe products, period. They're so affordable and they're so easy to use. Going back into Mocha, I'm just going to deepen up that crease because it did fade away with blending Enchanted. So just go ahead and deepen it up. Now we're going to cut our lid, and I'm going to take my Shapetape Concealer in a shade, I believe this one's medium, and I'm just going to go ahead and cut the front half of my lid. I'm not going to take it all the way to the outer V, just the front half. I absolutely love this Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush. It is perfect for cutting creases. Now to shade in where the concealer and the outer V meets, I'm going to take the color Jada and Enchanted mixed together. So I want more of like a lighter teal shade, but also with a darkness to it. So once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Diva and place that right on top of that concealer before it fully does dry. And I'm just going to pack that on. No rubbing, patting. Make sure you always pack metallic-y colors, glitters, you know, the pretty shiny stuff. Always pack. And now I'm just going to go back into Jada and then put that directly onto the middle of my lid. I wanted to have like that nice transition shade. So from like shimmer to a light green to a dark green. And then now I'm just taking Enchanted to deepen up the crease a tad bit more. And I'm just going back and forth to pack on some more color. So now I am prepping my lashes for falsie. I'm using the Lancome Monosour Big Mascara. This mascara is so nice. It's really pigmented and super black. And it really does make my lashes look super long. And then for falsies, we're taking your Lash Bar. I believe these are the Long Island ones. They're just so pretty and just so flirty. I love them. Moving on to face, we're taking Tarte Shapetape in the shade Tan Sand. I did actually do my foundation off camera. My foundation today is the new Bobbi Brown Skin Weightless foundation. It is so amazing. I'm going to have a foundation review on that coming up soon, so be on the lookout. So now after blending that out, I am going to set my face with my Nye Banana Powder. Major key, if you smile a lot, make sure you leave your setting powder on your smile lines a little bit longer than you would anywhere else. I find that this trick helps so much. So now to bronze my face up, I'm going to take the Bobbi Brown Bronzing Powder. I believe it's the shade Tawny Brown. I'm not exactly sure. I don't have my products in front of me, but I think it's Tawny Brown, so I'm just going to bronze up my face. We have not had sun here in Florida in a very long time, so your girl is bronzing away because I feel really pale. So now to set our entire face, I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Face Press Powder in the shade True Bronze. You know I do not go anywhere without this. Now I'm going to spray my face with my Mario Badescu face spray. This is just to help my face not feel super tight because it was feeling a little bit on the tight side. And for highlighter, the Bobbi Brown Bronze Glow, I think this is. Just highlighting everywhere where we normally highlight, you know, the cheeks, down the bridge of your nose, your cupid's bow, and your brow bone. This is such a subtle gold highlight. I just love it so much. Had to pick it up since, you know, I've been working at Bobbi Brown. So for blush, we're just going to go in with the Wet n Wild Mellow Wine. This is another favorite of mine. It's just so natural, but it does give me a pretty flush to my cheeks. To finish off the eyes, we're going to go back into Mocha. We're going to put Mocha right on the waterline, and then we're going to blend Mocha out with Pukey just to give it a little bit of that smoky look. And then we're going to go ahead and line the waterline with the LA Girl Gel Liner in the shade, I know it's black something. It's black something. I love this gel liner. It stays in place and it's really pretty. Can't forget the bottom lashes. Gonna go ahead and do that. For lips, I'm taking NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in the shade Sandstorm. Hated the way this came out, so off camera I did add a brown color to it, which is my Kiss Marie lip in Raw Cocoa 2.0, and that is the complete look. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you next time.
And I was like, I'll be running 10 or maybe less. You can pour the Henny and then get me out my dress. Don't want no one else to do it best. You got me like, keep me up like insomnia. But when we're done, I'm back in my car. We fit together, but we're better